वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। In the 20th stanza of Japji Sahib, Guru Nanak Dev Ji has written, पर ये हथ पैर तंदे पानी तोते उतरस खे, मुद प्लीती कपड़ होए दे साबुन लइये ओ तोए। पर ये मत पापा के संग ओ तोपे नावे के रंग, पुणी पापी आखण नाई कर कर करना लिख ले जाए। आपे बीज आपे ही खाए, नानक हुक्मी आवे जाए। He is talking about the dirt that we accumulate during the course of the day, or weeks or months or years as our life goes on. He is talking of dirt, of both physical dirt and also mental dirt. And he is also telling us how this dirt is cleaned by us, or how it can be cleaned. He says, if we make our hands and body dirty, it can be washed away with cleaning our hands and body with water. पर ये हाथ पैर तन दे पानी तोते उतरस खे. Our hands, feet, body, whatever dirt we come across in the daytime, during the course of the day, if we wash it with the water, it gets cleaned. On the other hand, he says, our clothes also get quite dirtied. Moot paliti kappad hoye. So if water is insufficient to clean the dirt of the clothes, then we can make use of the soaps, detergents, shampoos, and so on and so forth. De sabun laiye ottoe. So that is about the physical dirt. What about the mental dirt that we accumulate? We come across bad company, we come across bad thoughts, and they keep filling our mind. The dirt of physical nature is not as dangerous as the dirt that we fill in our minds. He says, पर ये मत यानी कि our mind, पर ये मत पापा के संग. When we fill our mind with sinful activities. You know, there is a difference between sin and crime. Crime we seldom do. Those who do and get caught, they get punished. But sin is something which we often get involved in. Sin is something that we mentally do. And crime can be said that when we execute the sinful thoughts, it becomes crime. So the sins that we keep on doing in our mind, par ye mat papa ke sang, the water cannot clean it, soaps and shampoos and detergents cannot clean it. So the only way to clean it is to develop love for par ye mat papa ke sang o tope naave ke rang. We need to get imbued in the color of love for the Lord. पर ये मत पापा के संग तोपे नावे के रंग. पुनी पापी आखण नाई. Now, if we are mentally thinking about sinful activities and we get at times into the crime also, there also Guru Nanak Dev Ji is warning us. He says, when people advise us, when people are talking about the rightful deeds and bad deeds, Punni Papi Akhan Nai. It's not just matter of mere talks, just advices. Take it seriously. Punni Papi Akhan Nai. Why we need to take it seriously? He says, Kar kar karna likh la jaye. Whatever you are doing, the good and the bad. Kar kar karna, likh la jaye. Everything is recorded, written, and it goes with us. Kar kar karna, likh la jaye. And when it goes with us, he is talking about, he says, Aape beej, aape hi khaye. When we plant a mango tree or any other fruit bearing trees or flowers, crop, there's a difference between the plants that we sow, the seeds that we sow on planet Earth, Mother Earth, and the deeds that we are doing. There's a difference. He says, he's talking about, he's comparing the deeds that we are doing with that of sowing of the plants. He says, the plants that we sow on Mother Earth, chances are we may relish its fruits, and others also can relish it. But the crop of our own doings, our karma, is not shared by anyone. If I have to do something good and if it has to get recorded into my account, similarly, if I am doing some sinful activity, it gets recorded only in my account. There will be no one who can share our punishment. Puni papi akhan nai, kar kar karna likhla jaye, aape beej, aape hi khaye. You sow the seeds of sinful activities, of fruit or good activities, and you are the one who is going to either reap its benefits or face the consequences. Aape beej aape hi khaye, Nanak hukmi ave jaye. Nanak says, it's through his command that we come and go. We keep coming in various forms and keep going as per his command. Nanak hukmi ave jaye. This is what I have understood of stanza 20th. And today while recording it, I think there's one cow in the neighborhood who is trying to call out her own friends. And I sincerely apologize for that, but I can't help it. Again, there you can hear the sound of the cow. Probably she's calling her calf or other friends and trying to reach her house, or she's probably calling her master nearby. So I would seek your forgiveness for that also. And at the same time, I sincerely apologize if I have done any mistake in conveying the meaning of the 20th stanza of Japji Sahib. I request you all to kindly subscribe and also comment and let me know what you feel, so that I can improve in my future presentations. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.